morning student. We are discussing the solid state, and in the last video we have completed the types of the lattice crystal, 7 types of unit cell, as well as the number of atom in case of SCC, BCC and FCC. Today we will discuss about the closed pack structure in the solid state. Closed packing in the 1 dimension, 2 dimensions as well as in the 3 dimensions. And also we will discuss about the number of voids formed whenever the one layer placed over the second layer. So first of all we will discuss about the closed pack structure in solid state. So closed pack structure First, closed pack structure in 1 dimensions. How the arrangement of atom in the crystal in the solid state. So there are 3 ways to arrangement of the atom in the solid: in 1 dimensions arrangement, 2 dimensions arrangement, as well as the 3 dimension arrangement. So real structure or the true solid is the 3 dimensional. One by one we will discuss about the placement of the sphere or atom in the solid. So first, and one thing also, coordination number. Coordination number means number of nearest neighboring particle is called the coordination number. Later we discuss. This is closed pack structure in 1 dimensions. In 1 dimensions. So solid, as we are taking as a sphere, it is arranged in 1 dimensions in this way. So 1 dimensions as a regular pattern you will see here. In this way the atoms are arranged in the solid. This is 1 dimensions arrangement, and you will see the one atom is the number of nearest particles. One atom is surrounded by 1 and 2 atoms. So coordination number means number of nearest neighbor particles. Number of nearest neighbor particles. So this atom is covered by or situated by the 2 atoms, 1 and 2. So what is the coordination number in 1 dimension? The coordination number in 1 dimension is 2. This is the arrangement of atom in the 1 dimensions. Now the arrangement of atom in 2 dimensions. How the placement of the atom takes place in the 2-dimensional arrangement. This is closed pack structure created by placing 1 layer over the second layer. Next we will discuss. So first, closed packing in 2 dimensions. Closed packing in 2 dimensions. So there are 2 ways to placing the 2-dimensional structure in the solid. One just above the other. One is aligned with the horizontally and vertically as one above the other. And it is less efficient solid placement of the solid. And the other is this is the square closed pack structure, and second one the hexagonal closed pack structure. So one by one we will discuss. So first one, there are 2 way to placing the element in the solid into the closed pack structure in 2 dimensions. First one is square closed packing in 2 dimensions. Square closed packing in 2 dimensions. So one place above just over the other. and it has some vacancy, because this is not the very efficient kinds of the solid. In this way, you will see this is the arrangement in the two dimensions. Just above this, regular pattern, you can see here, this is the regular pattern of arrangement. One is just placed above the other. You will see just like atom A is here, the same manner atom placed over. Their alignment vertically and the horizontally same, one covered with the other, as this in this manner. So A is this is taken, so in the same manner it is also A, it is also A. There is no differences of the one atom to the other atom, and you will see that is the maximum gap found in this case, and one atom is basically covered with the situated with the four atom. So far it is called the square closed pair. Just like this atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is situated with the four atom. So their coordination number is 4, and the type of structure. Which type of structure created? Type of structure. This is AA type. Why it is called A type? Because the alignment of one atom to the other is same, vertically and the horizontally. This atom above this atom, the other atom is similarly placed, the same atom over this, the same atom in the same manner. So there is no alternation or the discriminations or the changing in the placement of atom over the other. So far it is called the AA type of structure. A means similar kinds of placement of atom over the other atom. And you will see here, this one atom. This atom is situated by the four atom, number of nearest neighboring particles. These particular atoms are situated or attached with the 1, 2, 3, 4 atom. So this is called square closed pack structures. This type of arrangement of the sphere in the two dimension is called the square closed pack in two dimension. So one of the way to placing the atom in the two-dimensional way. Another possibility is also the placement of atom in the case of the two dimension, that is hexagonal closed packing. Another way in two dimensions, hexagonal closed pack structures. This is hexagonal closed packing in two dimensions. In two dimensions. And it is more efficient solid as compared to the square closed pack structure. It is more efficient. Why? Because their placement is not like the A type. This is the AB type of placement of structure in this way. Their placement is not just below, this is in this way. Further, the first like this, and then again in this way. Again in this way, the first layer just like this. So if this is A type, now not the similar just like this is B. Further A, this is B, this is A. So what is which type of structure created by placing the atom in this way? This is the AB type of structure. Their element is not same as like one above the other, and it is more efficient solid. You will see this is less vacancies found in between this solid, very less as compared to the A type. And one atom is basically situated with the, you will see just like this atom, this sphere is situated by the 6 atom. This is hexagonal closed pack structure. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this one atom is situated or covered by the 6 atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which type of coordinations number found in this case? This is coordination number is 6. Due to this it is called hexagonal closed pack structure. And the structure is AB type. This is called AB type of structure. Their element is not same as like the A type, not one place over the other. So these are the two-way system to placing the stacking the sphere above one another the others, one above the others. So these are the arrangement of the solid or sphere in the 2 dimensions. Now we'll discuss about the close packing in 3 dimensions. Close packing in 3 dimensions. Third way, close packing in 3 dimensions. So how do you place the 3-dimensional arrangement of the atom in the solid? And all the 3-dimensional closed pack structure, all the real structure, true structure are the 3-dimensional. Keep in mind, all the true structure are the 3-dimensional. So first, 3-dimensional closed packing, there are the possibilities found by placing the one layer above the others. So 3-dimensional closed packing from 2-dimensional square closed pack layer. How do you prepare? 3-dimensional, first one, 3-dimensional closed pack layer by closed pack layer by 2-dimensional square closed pack layer. The first arrangement, how would you place? This is the 3-dimensional closed packing from 2-dimensional square closed pack structures. Square closed pack layer. So by placing in this way, this 3-dimensional closed pack structure created by the 2-dimensional closed pack square closed pack structures. How do you show? So this is shown by this way. the similar manner, just like AA type of structures. So in this way, this is the placement and the structure you will show here. This is A type of structure. A. This is three-dimensional structures. And you will see here this is the square closed pack in this way. The one atom is situated by the four atom. So far it is called the square closed pack layer. And the type of structure is A type. You will see that that is the similar arrangement of the atom in the three dimensions. Is it clear? So another way, by placing the one layer above the second layer over the first layer. How do you create the three-dimensional structure? By placing the second layer over the first layer. So next one created by the second way, placing second layer over the first layer. One type here, this is the square closed pack structure. Now next one, placing second layer over the first layer. By placing second layer, next one be by placing we are going to put the sphere in the same way, just like first layer over the second layer and second layer over the third layer. So creations of the three-dimensional structure. The first one, the three-dimensional structure from the square closed pack structure of the two-dimensional like. And second one, way to place the three-dimensional structure by placing second layer over the first layer. And third, we will discuss by placing the third layer over the second layer. So these are way to placing or arranging the units or atom in the three-dimensional space. By placing second way, by placing second layer over first layer. Over first layer. By placing second layer over first layer. So how do you put, just like one atom is, this is three-dimensional, one is first place and above this second we will place in this way. This is the first layer we are arranging. Further in this way. Now this is the first layer, and first layer you will see here, this is one layer have been placed just like ABB mode, and the second layer we are going to place over the first layer. How do you place this? In this way. This dotted line I am showing here to show the representations of the placement of the second layer over the first layer, which is below, which is the dark circle. So this is the first layer. Again, so you will see here there are two types of void created when the second layer placed over the first layer. You will see here this is 1, 2 and the 3. So between 4 sphere, this is the tetrahedral types of the void, and when the void created between the 6 sphere, just like the 3 above and 3 below. So where this is O type of the sphere, T type of the between the 4 sphere, when the void created, this is called the tetrahedral void, and when the vacancy created by between the 6 sphere, this is called the octahedral layer. So you will see here this is T types of the sphere, T type of sphere shown here, and the second one 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This is O type of octahedral type, O type of the sphere created. So I am going to represent separately the tetrahedral and octahedral void. This is when the tetrahedral void created, the void created between the 4 atoms, just like in this way, 1 atom, 2 atom and 3 atom, and when another atom placed over this, so between this vacancy created, this is called the tetrahedral void. So there are two types of void created by placing the second layer over the first layer, tetrahedral void and the octahedral void. So tetrahedral void created when the vacancy between the 4 atoms, 3 just below and 1 above, and here this vacancy is called the tetrahedral void. And whenever this void created in the 6 sphere, in this way, just like now 1, 2, second layer and the 3. This vacancy is called the octahedral void. This is octahedral void. So there are two types of vacancy are the void created when the second layer placed over the first layer in the 3 dimensions. And how do you calculate the number of void in the crystals in the solid state in 3 dimensions? 3-dimensionally arrange the crystal. How do you count the total number of voids between these spheres? So consider that is the calculations of number of void. Is it clear? This is the first layer that are shown by the dark circle and the second layer placed by the dotted line. We show there are two types of vacancy between the 4 layer, tetrahedral, tetrahedral, tetrahedral. Between the 6 sphere, this is octahedral, which is separately shown here. 6 layer, this vacancy is octahedral. In 4 sphere, this is the tetrahedral void. So calculations of the number of void in this way. Calculate calculations of number of voids. Calculations of number of voids. Let the number of sphere in the crystal be n. Let the number of sphere or atom, you can say atom is shown just like the sphere. Sphere the n. Total number of sphere or atom in the crystal is n. N may be something whatever be. And what would be the number of the octahedral wire? So number of octahedral wire is equal to number of sphere in the crystals. Means whatever be the number of sphere, the same number of octahedral wire form by placing the second layer over the first layer in 3 dimensions. So it becomes number of octahedral wire is equal to N. Whatever be the number of sphere or atom in that 3-dimensional space, this is the same number of octahedral wire. Whereas the number of tetrahedral wire, void means vacancy. Number of tetrahedral wire is equal to twice of the octahedral wire, means this is 2n. So number of tetrahedral wire just twice to the number of octahedral wire. And what is the number of octahedral wire? That is the number of sphere present into the lattice crystal in 3 dimensions. Get clear? So 2 types of vacancy created by placing the second layer over the first layer. Now we are going to place the third layer over the second layer in 3 dimensions. This is placing third layer over the second layer. Now next one, by placing third layer over the second layer. This is another type of arrangement in 3 dimension. By placing third layer over second layer. So when the third layer placing over the second layer, which cover the tetrahedral wire of the first layer. Listen carefully. When the third layer placing over the second layer over placing first layer, we have completed 2 types of vacancy created, tetrahedral and octahedral wires. Now placing the third layer over the second layer. So there are 2 types of structure created. In first case, whenever the third layer placing over the second layer, which cover the tetrahedral wire of the first layer, this form the SCP type of structure, hexagonal closed pack structure, and the structure become ABAB types. Another way, this is the covering of the tetrahedral wire by the octahedral wire. Now second way, second possibility, when octahedral wire covered by the tetrahedral wire, when placing third layer over the second layer. So CCP type or FCC type of structure created, and the structure become ABC type, not the AB types. So see here, the first one, this is formations of covering tetrahedral wire. Covering tetrahedral wire by placing third layer over the second layer. How do you show? In this case, you can show this is octahedral wire, means between the 6 atoms. This is octahedral wires. Now further tetrahedral wires. in this way. This is tetrahedral word. Now further octahedral words. This is between the 6 atoms. This is further octahedral words. Now further tetrahedral words. So we will see this is the octahedral, tetrahedral, further octahedral, this is tetrahedral, and this is A, B, further A, now B. So which type of structure? AB type of structure, and this appear as a SCP type, hexagonal closed pack structure. This is SCP type of structure. SCP means hexagonal closed pack structure, which is appear in this manner. Apparently it appear in this way, like this. This is the SCP type of structure. So apparently seems as a in this way, a hexagonal closed pack structure. Hexagonal closed pack, and structure become AB type. You will see tetrahedral word is covered by the octahedral words by placing the third layer over the second layer. So is this type of structure created when placing in this manner in the 3 dimension. Another possibility is that is the formations of the when the third layer placing over the second layer which occupy or cover the octahedral word. So which type of structure is created in this way? We will see this is octahedral, now further tetrahedral. Now further not octahedral, further tetrahedral. Now again octahedral. So their structure is CCP type or FCC type. Their structure is CCP type or FCC type. In this way you can show. So octahedral, tetrahedral, now further tetrahedral and octahedral. This is A, B, now C, and then A. So their structure is ABC type. ABC and appearance as a FCC or CCP, CCP, cubic closed pack structure, or it is called the FCC, phase cubic closed packer. So there are two types of structure created when the third layer pressing over the second layer. Is it clear? So we have completed, that is the arrangement of the sphere or atom in the 1 dimension, 2 dimension and the 3 dimension. Coordination number, the number of nearest neighboring particle covered with the particular atom is called the coordination number. In 1 dimensional arrangement, you will see one atom touches with the 2 atom, so their coordination number 2. In the 2 dimension, there are 2 types of origination. This is 2 dimensional square closed pack structure and 2 dimensional hexagonal closed pack structure. In 2 dimensional square closed pack structure, this is AB type. This is the same element of one atom over the other in the vertical as well as the horizontal column. And formations of the square closed pack structure. This is 4 atom touches with the particular atom, and coordination number is 4, AB type of structure. Another way of the placing the second 2 dimensional structure, this is second layer just between the 2 atoms, and it is more efficient solid, and their structure is, in the first case, not AA type of structure. Square closed pack is AA type of structure. Keep in mind, and just repeat again. In the square closed pack 2 dimension, AA type, because the same element. But in the another hexagonal closed pack structure, this is AB type of structure. Third, 3 dimensional closed pack structure, by placing the second layer over the first layer and third layer over the second layer. So this way you can arrange the 3 dimensional closed pack structure. The first one, that is a 3 dimensional closed pack structure from the 2 dimensional square closed pack structure. You can see this is the same way AA type of structure created 3 dimensionally, and square closed pack 4 atoms touches to each other. Another is the placing second layer over the first layer. That is the 2 types of vacancy created, tetrahedral vacancy and the octahedral vacancy. And the number of tetrahedral vacancy and octahedral vacancy is calculated on the basis of the number of sphere or atom present in the crystal. So number of octahedral void is equal to the number of the sphere present or atom present in the crystal, whereas the number of tetrahedral void just twice to the octahedral void. Means if the n number of sphere or atom present in the crystal, so number of octahedral void is n, and the number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. Another way, this is by placing the third layer over the second layer. So there are 2 types of possibilities shown. This one, third layer when placing second layer, which cover the tetrahedral void of the first layer. So formations of this type of structure, SCP type of structure, and the structure pattern is AB type. Whereas when the third layer cover the octahedral void, so their arrangement is in the same way. Octahedral, tetrahedral, octahedral. This structure becomes the CCP type, or cubic closed pack structure, or FCC type you can say, phase cubic closed pack structure. And their arrangement is ABC type, not AB type. You will see octahedral, tetrahedral, further tetrahedral. Now the alternation takes place. So this arrangement form the CCP or the FCC structures. So these are the different arrangement of the sphere in the lattice crystal by 1 dimensions, 2 dimension and the 3 dimension. So next time we will discuss about the packing efficiency in the lattice crystals and the density of the cube. Thank you.